This company already made two successful acquisitions in 2021. The stock price of this company already made more than 5,000% of gains in the last 6 months. And this is just the beginning. What's going on, guys? My name is Aviran. Welcome back, Smart Investor. Today I'm gonna tell you about the potential of ILOS stock, because this stock is going to give you massive gains. I mean, this is something else. This stock could make you rich. On this channel, we look for the best stocks in the stock market. So if you're new here and you're looking for high risk, high reward stocks to add to your portfolio, subscribe to this channel right now. I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so this video is for entertainment purposes only. So in this video, we're going to review the company, know the sub-companies, check the 2021 financial results, and we will go over their future and the next acquisitions. After that, I will share my opinion about the company, including my price target for the company. Something important I have to say is that I'm already awake for 30 hours. But I decided to make this video for you before I sleep. With that said, let's go straight to the company. ILOS International was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in the United States. This is a rapid rising mergers and acquisitions investment company and is operating out of New York, London, and Dubai, and the company is focused on adding shareholder value by innovation and globally oriented growth. So we already see that they care about us, because they put this line on the front. Historically, ILOS has evolved out of the industrial sector, mainly from emergency services products, emergency response vehicles, vehicle conversions, EVs, wearable tech, and smart tech. Presently, ILOS is on an active mission to acquire businesses in the technology, engineering, and manufacturing space worldwide, with strong management and potential to grow rapidly, with the ability to benefit from cross-pollination of territories, products, and skills from other group companies. With a proven record of successfully chosen businesses, ILOS is usually acquiring companies with the revenue from $1 million to $5 million range. ILOS has already completed 2 acquisitions in the first quarter of 2021 and is on track to complete and announce at least 2 more acquisitions in the second quarter. With each acquisition rapidly increasing international's growth, ILOS International, because their clients and shareholders' value is their biggest asset. I'm going to talk with you about the next acquisition soon. Now I want to check with you guys their sub-companies. The first one is eRaptor, a high-quality, components reliable, and trustworthy construction market-leading warranty designed to be a rugged, hard-working machine. The second one, FB Technologies, which is a global technology company developing and manufacturing specialist technology and equipment, mainly for emergency services and mission-critical companies, equipment, and applications. The third one is Firebug, which are firefighting equipment manufacturers using high technology, disruptive water mist technology. The next is the Vehicle Converters, and the company designs and converts vehicles for specialist applications such as emergency services, mobile hospitals, medical ambulances, military, and oil and gas. The last company as of now is VCD Fire, which is a leading system integrator and installer of fire access and security systems across the UAE. And now that we know what the company does, we're going to check their Q1 results for 2021. But first of all, I want to read this one, because this is important. ILOS International has been focused on building a business with a strong foundation, which it believes that everybody would be proud to invest in. The vision of ILOS as a company is a long-term one, focusing on growth, profitability, and sustainability. The company is currently building a strong and loyal shareholder base whilst executing its business plan. There will be short, medium, and long-term milestones that ILOS feels will drive their continued organic growth. You also want to know what their CEO Nick Link said. As a team, we have made phenomenal progress in the last 3 months. Our sales pipeline has grown exponentially, with both acquired businesses feeding off the synergies that exist between them. As the second quarter kicks off, we are now closing in on the acquisition of more innovative technology to complement our current suite, whilst also focusing on adding more talent to our global sales, marketing, and operational teams. We are all working extremely hard and are incredibly excited about the future for Ilus International. The company already has the largest fire truck manufacturer in India as its distributor for the region, but now Ilus also expanded its sales network in the first quarter by appointing the largest distributor of firefighting vehicles and equipment in Saudi Arabia as its distributor. The company mentioned that they're also looking for a suitable manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia, which will position it to capitalize on the growth potential in the Saudi Arabian market with the development of the new $500 billion mega city that the country builds, which is called NEOM. By the way, if you know interesting things about the new city in Saudi Arabia, I would like to know. Please give me something good in the comments. Ilus announced that it has multiple orders in production for its distributor in India, where it also has its fire safety products listed on the Indian government purchasing portal. The company also has orders in production for the United Nations, various UK fire brigades, Dubai International Financial Center, an Abu Dhabi hospital, and a large shopping mall in the UAE. During a busy first quarter for the sales team, where demonstrations were also conducted in Spain, Sweden, India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and the UK, the company's sales pipeline has grown to over $5 million, of which they hope to convert 50% into orders for delivery during Q3 and Q4 of 2021. Okay, so another press releases are coming soon. You should pay attention to this one. Ilus International announced that it will be releasing a product portfolio awareness campaign over the next few weeks, which will update shareholders on the technology being developed and sold by the company, as well as its current customers and customers it is in discussions with. Alright, listen to this one. It is really interesting if you're planning to invest in the company. With the global fire suppression market rapidly growing and expected to be worth over $95 billion by 2025. Ilus already developed and has been testing technology for commercial kitchen fire suppression systems and is close to finalizing its road to market for this groundbreaking technology. Guys, this announcement is huge. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments. I really want to know. In the USA alone, the market for industrial fire protection systems for cooking already exceeds $2.5 billion. In an already very competitive landscape, Ilus' key differentiator for its commercial kitchen systems is that they utilize Fireburg's game-changing low-pressure water mist technology, which is capable of extinguishing multiple classes of fire with water only, and eliminates the need for foam or powder systems, which damage both property and environment. The new technology is also far more cost-effective than the current technology available in the market. Ilus is expecting significant uptake for this new technology when it is released. Alright, now I will provide you information about the companies we mentioned in the beginning. One of the Ilus acquisitions, Fireburg, has already achieved international success with the sale of its revolutionary backpack portable firefighting system. Fireburg is now in the final stages of testing its new lightweight carbon fiber second version of much-awaited backpack, with many distributors already arranging demonstrations, which Ilus says will be the first of its kind globally. Ilus International's eRaptor EV is the world's first six-wheel electric utility vehicle. The EV's superior load-carrying capability combined with its zero emissions have already made it very popular with multiple customers in the Middle East and Europe, and Ilus now plans to have the eRaptor certified for the USA market. The company announced its plans to engage in the USA certification process during the second quarter of 2021, whilst further increasing its demonstration and rollout activity across the Middle East and Asia during the same period. Ilus also confirmed that they are close to signing an agreement with a German unmanned aerial vehicle, which is UAV company, which will enable them to roll out firefighting drones complete with Firebox technology suitable for wildfire fighting. The company hopes to deliver this innovative technology to market by Q3 or Q4 of 2021, and will release more information once the agreement with the German company is signed. Guys, this is the future of the rescue services. Following completion of the new joint TVC and Firebug Dubai manufacturing facility, which will house its engineering team and work in conjunction with the company's UK manufacturing facility, Ilus announced that it is now also focusing on expanding its current staff complement of 45 global team members with the recruitment of new senior management team members and the filling of numerous additional key positions across the spectrum of acquisitions, sales, marketing, and engineering. The company has very recently employed a new marketing director who will lead the implementation of the company's marketing and communication strategy whilst building and maintaining the overall branding and image of the company. Alright guys, listen to this one carefully. It is really important for the future of the company and its stock price. Ilus International also announced that it is in discussions with 3 companies regarding acquisitions. The company aims to complete 2 acquisitions in the second quarter of 2021, followed by their first USA acquisition in the third quarter. Ilus revealed it had recently completed the final few outstanding legal matters pertaining to its latest acquisition and therefore expects to announce this acquisition very soon. Ilus CEO Nick Link is incredibly pleased with the company's progress and is even more excited at the start of the second quarter, saying, "I'm incredibly proud of what we have accomplished together in just a few short months. We are now even more excited about the future and focused on delivering on our immediate plans. I want to thank my team for their significant efforts and our shareholders for their continued loyal support." So in overall, I think this company is going to be huge in the next 5 years. Now it is the best time to invest in them. We have seen the information about their company and the future. Let's assume you throw $1,000 into companies like Apple, AMD, Nvidia or Ilus. I think that the best one of them will be Ilus, because it has a lot of potential and the current market cap is pretty low. Even if it reaches $1, you will have $12,000. Their short-term and long-term for the stock both have the potential to spike. I think the stock will reach $1 at least, and I believe this will happen in the next 12 to 18 months. Don't be surprised if it reaches $1 before the 12 months. When do you think they will reach $1? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and before that, subscribe to the channel. I will make sure to provide you more stocks like this one. I really appreciate you for listening to me until now, so thank you so much for listening to me. As I said, I'm awake for about 30 hours, so I'm going to sleep after I upload this video for you. And as I say in every ending, goodbye smart investors!